Quick as a Jaguar. Understanding speed in English idioms. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of English idioms, specifically the phrase, quick as a jaguar. Idioms are expressions that don't mean exactly what the words say but have a symbolic or metaphorical meaning. Understanding these can really boost your fluency and comprehension of English. So, let's get started and find out why someone might be compared to this incredibly fast animal. The phrase, quick as a jaguar, is an idiom that describes someone or something that is extremely fast or quick to react. Jaguars are known for their incredible speed and agility in the wild, capable of running at high speeds to catch their prey. When we use this expression, we're comparing a person's speed or responsiveness to that of a jaguar, highlighting their swift actions or thoughts. Jaguars are not just any animals, they are among the fastest and most agile creatures in the animal kingdom. They symbolize speed, power, and precision. By using a jaguar in this idiom, the English language borrows this animal's characteristics to describe human qualities. This makes the idiom vivid and powerful, creating a strong visual image of speed and efficiency. Using idioms like quick as a jaguar can add flair and depth to your English. It's perfect for describing someone who is fast at making decisions, quick to learn, or swift in physical activities. For example, she solved the math problem quick as a jaguar, impressing her classmates. In the world of trading, you need to be as quick as a jaguar to seize the best opportunities. English is rich with idioms that convey speed or quickness. Here are a few more you might find useful. Fast as lightning, describing something happening very quickly. Swift as a gazelle, highlighting someone's speed or gracefulness. Quick off the mark, being fast to start or react to something. Understanding these can help you appreciate the diversity of the English language and enhance your conversational skills. We hope this exploration of the idiom, quick as a jaguar, has been enlightening and fun. Idioms like this are a window into the cultural and linguistic richness of English, and mastering them can make your communication more colorful and expressive. Keep practicing, and don't be afraid to incorporate idioms into your everyday English. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.